In addition to the bleach, I accidentally put the laundry detergent in the bleach dispenser of my Whirlpool Cabrio, top-loading high-efficiency low-water washer. I ran the cycle but, now I don't know what to do about future cycles.
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is less than 2 years old. The numbers showing on my use and care guide are W10607424B and W10607425B, SP.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I'm not sure what work is needed, but I plan to make corrective action as needed, if possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I just don't know if the laundry detergent is still in the bleach dispenser, or did it come out when the bleach was dispensed for that laundry load. I want to make certain that detergent mixed with bleach won't keep coming out of the dispenser with future loads.
Hello, my name is I will be assisting you with your issues today. Please give me a minute to review your question. Do you have the model number of the unit? It should be located here.
WTW7040DW1.
Alright, on this model the little cup for the bleach is just filled up and then goes right down into the tub of the washer. You can rinse it out with some water to make sure it all cleans out. Most of it should have gone, but if you put some more water through just to clean it out, you should be good. There isn't really anywhere for it to stick up in, luckily. If you want to access the top of the tub where it enters to clean there, you can do that also. On the back of the unit you will see hinges where the top and body meet, 1/4 of an inch screw on each to remove. Once those are out, grab the top with the lid open, pull the top towards you, lift it up, then push it back and it will release and you can lift it up and access the top of the tub where that bleach goes.
Okay, thank you for the info. I will put more water through to clean it out. I'm glad that will take care of it.
No problem. I always strive for 5-star service, and if you do have any more questions after rating me, you can always come back to this question and post them.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.